Okay guys, welcome back for another one of our videos. Sorry if the obby ones aren't that good quality because sometimes we don't have the completely rare equipment, but I understand so this time instead of doing Adopt Me and obbies, we're gonna play Dragonfly. So we're waiting for it to load. And this game might not work on some devices because I find that some of the life games don't, they sort of kick you out. So if you want to play this, make sure that it works first. Oh, this takes such a long time, but it's really good. Oh wow, that person. Okay, we'll just wait. Oh my gosh, there's so much. We'll pause and we'll come. Alright, so we don't need to pause it because it's loading now. But if it does stop working for a bit, if it takes a long time, we'll pause it and just come back when it's a lot better. So yeah, but it's really cool, this game, because you get to sort of role play as a dragon. Oh, there you go. But you can choose to be an egg. No, that's not being an egg. Don't be. No. Oh, we chose egg. So we're an egg, and no, not a blue egg. Let's be a white egg, chicken egg. I think eggs can hatch. Okay, so that's cool. You can hatch. I'm not sure what dragon will hatch as, but we'll continue anyway.
You hatch as your last dragon.
No, sorry.
The last dragon.
Oh wow. Okay. So we can roll around. Let's wait for someone to adopt us or something. Ooh, okay. There's someone over there. Let's roll over like an egg. Oh my god, I love this egg. It's so funny. But it's really slow though. Hi. Ah, that sounds pretty. Yeah, we're gonna ask him to adopt us. So then we can hatch. Like, they must be a bit confused why is an egg just saying adopt me? Oh no, there's another egg called Midnight. Hi, egg.
That's me.
Okay. Oh, they said okay. Okay. Yeah, they'll adopt us. We'll stay here.
Can I ask
Oh my god, what the? Okay, just wait. Whoa, what's he doing? Oh, he keeps falling over the eggs. Should we hatch? Hatch? Yes. Oh, look, we're hatching. Look, I have no idea what's going on. Okay, we've hatched. Say I hatched. Say I hatched.
I'm just gonna fly away.
What?
You don't need to know.
Okay, so this game's so cool. Okay. You know what's annoying when you play on a laptop or a computer is that to go higher, you have to use the back button so that you can go higher.
This is my technique. Just making it so you face the way.
Yeah.
And then you can go backwards.
But on a iPad, you would, or a tablet, you would just
look up to
look up to go up, and it's a lot easier than this. So wow, this map is quite big. Let's find some dragons. Come on. Oh, the icy bit looks huge.
Yeah, this is a bit. I love to pretend we live here because it's really nice and.
You look like a frost dragon anyway, so it's quite cool. I wonder if there's anyone in here. It doesn't look pretty deserted. There might be a cave or something that someone's in. Oh no, there's a cave down there. Just below us.
It's one of my favourite caves.
Okay. Yeah, this is the annoying thing about being on a computer. It's hard to get. Oh yes! Yes, we found people. Oh wait, what? Some fish and then a dragon, alright.
I'm gonna say yo.
Don't say yo! Oh my gosh, that's so weird. Oh no, it came out as Y, that's a bit weird. Man. Oh, that's a bit weird now. I think they're asleep. I don't think they're listening to you. Maybe they're AFK, I didn't know. They just don't seem to be. How about you just find. I think I saw someone else over there. Just get out of the cave, it's kind of weird.
He's kind of weird. I mean, I'm trying to find you.
Okay. The Sims really deserted this bit. No, I think the most popular bit is the magical island bit. Go to that one. Or the green bit. The green bit is... There's no one here, it's so boring.
I wanna go.
No, we're gonna glitch off the map. Wait, can you go? Oh my gosh, no. What did you do?
Guys, what on earth did I just do? Oh. Okay, so
Okay. Yeah, we need to find some more people so we can like properly roleplay. Should we just follow someone? That's a waste of fun. This might be a bit mean, but I like to follow people. Okay, well, one of our friends just said that there's lots. They have a place where there's loads of people. So it's by a beach, alright. So go. Oh, it must be over there. Go over there. Can you like drop Nanette? Like just drop into the
yeah.
pool? Do it then.
Jump. Yeah.
Yay! Must hurt. Okay, come on, get over. Look to the beach. Yeah, I'm going the rightish way. So over there. Not that. It's there. See, at the bottom.
Oh dear.
Ugh. Ew. What is that even? Oh yes.
Oh
okay,
yes.
lots of people. Wait, what does someone say? Hi, let's find a mum. Oh, I think that lots of people speak different languages.
It's really annoying.
Yeah. For some reason, like sometimes you just spawn in a server where they only speak like Spanish or something.
Yeah, I think we spent that kind of stuff.
Okay, there's our friend, the black and peel dragon. Oh, that's such a cool dragon. I like it. Can we have a mum or something? Should we be an? Can we like change what we are? Should we be an egg again? Can you do that?
You have to reset your house.
No, it's not reset. No, that's boring. Let's go to that black dragon that's in the sea.
No, I think we should look at this. Oh, there's someone landing.
No, there's so many people.
I want to go to this place though.
There's no one there.
But it's so cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, but there's no one there. Oh, it reminds me of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Yeah.
Of Willy Wonka's that first bit they go into. That's
Oh,
what
there's
it reminds
another.
me of.
There's another movie that it reminds me of, but I can't remember it. Oh, look, there's a friend.
Yay. Okay, no, I want to get adopted. Like seriously.
I don't.
Why? It's so fun. And then you can roleplay, and roleplay is fun. You find someone who speaks our language. Oh, look, someone said me add. That's our language, right?
And
Okay.
someone said okay. Okay.
Oh, what are those people up there? Those black and white dragons.
We can follow this person.
What person? Oh, hi. Oh, wow, they're very sinister. And they speak different language. And they seem to be doing their own thing. Okay, yeah, maybe we should just go.
Yeah.
Can we just go to the people down there? Surely we can like say something and see who responds, and then we'll know who speaks what language.
I'm gonna see if anyone English.
And just say something. Is anyone? No, just say, can you adopt me and see if anyone comes because. Oh look, yes.
I said yeah.
You said our friend said yes because she knew what question we were going to ask. Hey look, that person looks like a cool dragon except the Spanish.
It's Pierre.
Okay, about the people up there that haven't really moved much. Oh no, wait, no, that one with the rainbow wings. We've had that one before.
Oh yeah,
Say hi. Say, can you adopt me?
Hi.
Adopt me. You know, like, it's weird to think that in the first place, Adopt Me just started out as this game where you adopted children and stuff. Didn't have any pets or anything. It's really weird. Okay, come on. Hi, can you adopt me?
Right, I don't care.
No, wait.
I want to show you guys some stuff you can do on this. So I'm
This
just
is a fun game.
so to fly you double jump, or if you're on a laptop. But if
It's
you're
a
on
lot easier. For some
other
reason, it's a
thing, you
lot
just
easier
go-
to start flying on a laptop than it is on a tablet. I find that.
Okay, so can I just tell you guys something? So up here, there's this thing where you can do night vision. So when it's dark, you can put on night vision. It will look a little lighter. And this is you can sit, sleep, play, blah blah.
Your element. Do that element.
All in there.
Did you choose an element? Oh.
Oh, you can't really see it.
Oh, look, hurt animations for being hurt. Oh, I love role playing that you've hurt yourself.
So look
And then, should we do that? Let's go down. Oh, look, see, it's like you've hurt yourself. Oh, do the wing, the wing. Let's see it. Oh.
You can still-
cute. No, press it so we're not still hurt for our left leg. Okay, right. On emotions is like angry and stuff.
oh, we're flying with the solar.
Oh, wow, that's a bit dangerous. Okay, let's go down to the thing and pretend.
I don't want to be adopted.
No, can we pretend we Oh no, okay.
We're gonna do loads more videos on this game
Because our
because
time limit is running out.
yeah, and this game's really good.
Because we on screencast. So basically, we're kind of looking for a new screen recording thing where you can edit videos too.
If you have one,
Please
write it
tell
in
us in the comments
and-
because this one, if you need premium to do more than 15 minutes and to edit them. I know you can use YouTube Edit, but I haven't quite worked out how to use that yet. So I'm trying to.
We're trying to figure it out.
Yeah.
Not feeling
Oh wow. Okay.
that. So, shall we leave it there? Or?
Yeah, I'm telling. You know,
Next time we might get adopted. It
the
depends.
first life game I played was Cat Life. I don't know why.
The first life
It
game
was
I
fun.
played was quite recently and it was Lion Life.
I thought your first one was Spider Life.
Spider Life.
No, that was Live in a Spider.
Oh, that game's so funny. We have to do a video on that one. It's so
Yeah, we
live in a
do.
spider cage. It's such a random game, but it's so funny.
So,
It gets a bit boring,
No.
but I mean, it's really random. I don't know why you would make a game like that.
oh, cute. There's a little area.
Oh, cute. Well, we're gonna have to go in like 3 minutes.
So why don't we just say goodbye now?
Yep, Buzzy Bee, goodbye.
Buzzy bee bye.
Hmm.
So we're gonna end the thing with a buzzy bee bye. So buzzy bee bye.